In this video, I'm going to show you how to share a Calendly meeting with anyone, right? So you can easily create a meeting within Calendly by clicking create on the upper right hand side and just go through the process of creating a meeting. Now, once the meeting is done, you'll find the meeting under schedule and you can easily share that with someone by clicking the share button here. It says share availability. You can either copy the link and share with someone by simple copy and just send it to whatever medium, email, or whatever it is, or you can use this more professional looking way to share it by click and share availability. It's going to give you this pop-up here where you can now enter the email address of the person that you want to share it with. You can even send CC and BCC as well. Here it has a little draft email of what it looks like, but this is fully customizable. You can type whatever you want there, as you can see, and you can even make it personal. You can say hello James, for example, or hi James, whatever it is, right? You can see there. And then once you enter all the email address for the person, I'm going to say, for example, James that what, for example, at let's say gmail.com, for example, something like that, right? And once you do that and you fill in all the details that you want, it says you need to connect your email address. So if you haven't connect your email, you want to click on that. So you can easily connect, for example, with Gmail or whatever. Click here and you can say Gmail or Outlook. It's really up to you. You click on that, it's going to open up a new window where you can just authorize or connect your Google account. So you just sign in like that. I'm going to use Google as you can see here. Authorize everything, click and continue. And so it's going to log me right in and give me the option to set up. So here it is connected, all good. And so once I go back to here, you can see that I can select the email address from which I want to use and then click and send. And that's it. It's going to send it with that email address. And yeah, they will receive a really nice email coming from directly within Calendly. And that's it, guys.